Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off auto brightness on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core and settings, go to display. And display, okay, you can see the auto brightness, and on the right side you can see the switch button. If this turn on, adjust your screen brightness according to your environment. When you unlock the screen, this feature measures the current lighting condition by taking a picture with the front camera. And okay guys, to turn on the auto brightness, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side, and the pop-up are show, okay, her attention. The front camera will automatically take a picture each time you unlock your phone. This feature will only be used to measure the current lighting condition and will not be stored anywhere. And okay guys, to turn on, you'll have to do is tap OK button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on the auto brightness of your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And to turn on again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the auto brightness on my Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.